impossible to get inside, but we did it. This is Pohjolankatu 22. As you can see, today is the 6th of July 2021. And we still have 5 more staircases to get into, but we'll try it next time. The staircases A, B, C, E, and H here, we still have to get into. We have from the staircases D, F, and G so far. The assemblers here. They're completely impossible.
Yeah.
But it is still possible. It's not completely impossible.
Yeah.
Yeah, but at least in this part we have E and H now, so next time we can wait only 2 here, and then there's 3 there.
Yeah.
So it will be a bit easier soon. The serial number is VS3982, and it's going to be inspected this year, 2021. Turned 45 years old in 2019, and now let's write it. I don't know if it has memory, but it has a value. Yes. Even that. This is Tampere, Finland.
This asuntoskehtiö Moisio.
Yeah. Because this is very amazing.
Yeah.
And it's also rare. Because it has windows and lamp indicators and memory.
Yeah.
So this is like complete, so to say. Yeah, built in 1984 indeed.
Same Nathan went inside when I went inside. Iskutittaakin vain, mutta meillä eteenpäin Suomen hissiurakointi.
Yes.
That's